You can't trust the dial because it's mounted on the surface. It says 200 degrees. It's 350 in there. Read the dial. And the bread is bacon. And all this dial is in here is a guideline. You got to have a hot fire to have the oven work. There's a little dial in here. It gets too hot, you can open it up and relieve some heat. Or you can shove it off onto the warming tray. Right here's the dial. And of course you need gloves because everything's hot. But this has only been on less than 15 minutes. I'd say somewhere around 10 or 12 minutes. And I've already got it just going like crazy. It's doing really good. I got my shirt off now because it's hot in here. You got to have hot stove to make the oven work.